will help them. God will help the servant, or God will help Isaac to find, then you will see. Next. I already read it, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, then God will help? No.
God.
Oh, see?
Okay. Why is the well a specific sign?
The well?
Yeah.
The well,
That's
the well was placed, di ba? Na doon sila kumuha ng water nila. They drink there, their camels, the people, everything, everyone in for all.
one.
Di ba? It's a spot in the community where they brought water in the age, in the time, in the beginning.
Not like today.
Isaac, Abraham, and Jacob. Wala pa po si Jacob.
So tomorrow.
Yun, doon, Abraham's servant, di ba? Doon sila, kumuha ng water. Doon sila, as a test for that, Rebecca ba?
Yep, it's Rebecca.
Yeah, they test Rebecca there. Right woman for Isaac. Then, ano pa bang nangyari sa tubig na yan? Ano pa ba?
There's a lot.
They test the character of that woman. Her kindness, her generosity, her service, ganon. Parang, hindi trick bang tawag doon? The test. This is a kind woman, this is a perfect woman for my Isaac, or no? Like that.
Oh.
That's why the well as a specific sign for the wonderful woman.
Wow.
Beautiful and adorable and everything.
Wow.
Mm.
Wow. Okay. For my other questions.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me think first. Wait. Why?
Ilang question mo na yan?
The fifth? Maybe?
Lima?
I don't know. I totally forgot. Okay, my fifth question is, why did Rebecca agree to offer water to the Abraham servant and the camels?
Maybe they are dying.
Look.
Maybe they are thirsty. No. As I said before, because Rebecca was kind, di ba? Had a kind, and Rebecca had a beautiful heart. Kind, generous. She's kind. She's beautiful. She almost perfect. She was almost perfect for Isaac.
Almost?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Because that's your question. Why Rebecca agreed to offer water? Maybe he not offer water. You think he was kind? He was generous?
No.
He offered water because she offered water because she know that the camel are so thirsty.
She was kind-hearted.
Thirst. Maybe dying.
Look.
Maybe,
Dehydration.
yeah. Maybe they come from, Kananay.
Yeah, they live in Kanay.
Tapos nag-bye-bye sila how many hours?
Bye-bye.
They travel for how many hours? And loaded with,
So many things.
so may, like, olive oil. Ano pa ba
Olive
yung
oil?
mga lagi nilang hinahabis na olive oil, barley, ano ba? Ano
Barley.
Ano pa pa ba?
Seasonings?
Yeah, seasonings.
Jewelry?
Mahilig sila sa mga seasonings para mga, ang mga Eastern food.
I thought they gift jewelry.
They loaded with, yung mga, anong tawag dyan sa opening na yun?
Articles of clothes.
Basta, maraming mga pagkain kung ano-ano. Sinasakay. Yun.
Okay, expensive.
And one, one word to different Rebecca. She was, paano ko ba siya i-describe? Hospitality.
Hospitality?
Yeah.
Management. Okay, so she was kind. She was not hostile. She was an angel.
That's the best, one of a kind woman. How lucky man to marry a kind of woman like that. But
Okay.
I am not that kind of woman, but I'm trying to be like that kind of woman in the right good kind of a man. What?
What? If you had that personality like Rebecca, you would have every man at your at your feet.
Yeah.
They would be begging to marry you.
If that man is a good kind of man.
Good kind of a man. Next.
Character. Okay, next question.
Wait, let me manifest the question. Manifestation of question. We must marinate it.
Marinated.
Yes.
Like a barbecue. So that they become tasty.
Yes.
The mang inasal. Oh, nag-advertise pa tayo.
Now sponsoring.
No. Like the best chicken house in
No.
the world.
That's still advertising.
Or like the good taste in Baguio City. It's a taste of good.
Ay,
Or
that's
maybe like the Marquez restaurant in San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. The best kare-kare in the world.
okay.
Next question.
My sixth question. Why did they invite the servant in?
What?
Why did they invite the servant in?
Who invited?
Laban.
Paano? Kompletuhin mo naman. Kompletuhin mo naman kasi yung question mo, why invite the servant in? Why did Laban invite the servant to come in
Yes.
or to get in their home maybe? Maybe
Yeah.
they have house?
Yeah. They have a
Yeah,
house.
they have a tent. They had,
Space.
mansion. A stone house. Mas matibay nga yung house nila ngayon kaysa ngayon eh.
Lo.
No.
Wait.
I want their house before than now. So, your question is, why invite the servant? Why did Laban si Laban ba yun?
Yes, the brother of Rebecca.
Rebecca invited them to, get in at Laban. Because, the servant, Rebecca, di ba nabasa mo kanina si Rebecca?
No.
Pinapasok niya yung mga servant ni Abraham. Because, yun nga, as I said before, she was a generous, she was kind. Hospitality to define Rebecca, she was hospitality. Yun. Sa lahat ng mga, noon, sa mga nagbabaybay, mga travelers. Yun, yung mga tourists. Tourist? May tourist? May tourist ba?
I don't know. But
Because she was a good hospitality nine.
But may I state something?
Okay, was something.
My statement is, it said here, I'll read the full thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now Rebecca had a brother named Laban,
Mm-hmm.
and he hurried out to the man at the spring.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as he had seen the nose ring and the bracelet on his sister's arm, he had heard Rebecca tell that the man said to her. He went out to the man and found him standing by the camels near the spring.
Mm-hmm.
Come, you are blessed by the Lord, he said. Why are you standing out here? I have prepared the house and the place for the camels. So the man went to the house and the camels were unloaded.
Yun nga, si Rebecca nga.
No, Laban.
Ulitin mo. Slowly, slowly.
Now Rebecca had a brother named Laban, and he hurried out to the man at the spring. As soon as he had seen the nose ring and the bracelets on his sister's arm, and he had heard Rebecca tell what the man said to her, he went out to the man and found him standing by the camels near the spring. Come, you are blessed by the Lord, he said. Now, why are you standing out here? I have prepared the house and the place for the camels. So the man went to the house and the camels were unloaded.
Saan niya in-invite?
Come, you are blessed by the Lord, he said. Why are you standing out here? I have prepared the house and a place for the camels.
Sa home nila, di ba?
Yeah. So, it's not Rebecca who invited the Abraham's servant